up, guys? My name is Savage Guy, and welcome to Jelly Truck. This game looks very, very interesting. I've played it before, just not with the audio. I haven't beat it, okay? So I've decided to quit Olympic Jump because the lag, it just wasn't holding up. It sounds like a fart. I like that, though. It's cute. Whee! Sounds like someone's farting. I like this game so far. Yeah. It's a little laggy. Not that much, though. Oh, I better not get stuck. Because that can happen. By the way, at first when I played this game, I thought you couldn't die. Or was I wrong? I like this game, so that's why I decided to play it on my channel. I'm just proing this first level. Well, shouldn't like everyone who played the game before? Oh god, am I gonna get stuck? Oh, I think I didn't. Oh, thank god. Surprisingly, crashing into the ground isn't a problem. Check this out. And this. No, wrong way, fall the other way. Yes! Alright, so far so good. I think I'm going to pass it right now. Because there's the flag right now. What? Ah! Oh, it was right there! What was that? What happened to it? Just inflated? What was that? Are you kidding me? It just inflated and blew up! Both wheels came off! That didn't happen the first time! I think I'm just gonna roll the entire way because I don't feel like it. And because you can. I swear, why did that happen? Okay, that's not right. Okay, I better not break. No, it's gonna happen again. Oh. What was that? It happened again! It just inflated! It's only level 1! What? Better not expand. By the way, guys, try Olympic Jump out for yourselves. See if you can beat it without the lag, without video, all that. Now, there's a lot more to this game than meets the eye. It's not just the truck. There's a lot of other stuff in it. But I'm going to wait until either you play it or we get to it in my channel. No, this is where I died last time. Oh, no, it's not. It's one of the times. Yeah, I survived because I stopped moving my buttons on the mouse pad. Fall that way. Now I can tend to get stuck in these. Oh, this is where I died. Oh. Yeah, I live. Well, let's just roll right on over to that flag. Oh, I almost fell apart again. You bet I got 3 stars. Yeah, because that was perfect. Well, who's arguing? I did get a perfect score. What? No! What do you... No, you better not get stuck. Oh, of course it gets stuck. It got stuck. Okay, now it got unstuck. Well, it is jelly, so what do you expect? I'm happy I'm bouncing around in the thing when I'm supposed to be still. Perfectly still. Can you go up any faster? Oh, finally. This is the biggest, most giant jello mold I've ever seen. Do not expand. Oh, crap. Here I go. Bye now. Okay, I am over here now. Go downward. Before this was not a problem. Go. Okay, finally. Go. Get down there. It's only level 2 and I'm already raging. Oh my god. Don't move. Get down there. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go down. Yes! Oh! Do not crush me. Do not. Okay. Guess I survived that. Move out of my way. Okay, that was not fair. No! It happened again! Oh, it almost tore me apart. I survived that somehow. Whee! Oh, ouch. Yeah, I made it. 1 star. Yeah, it's a church. I'm gonna need to go pray in it soon. What if I go backwards? Okay, so now a little while later. By the way, there was a pause in that recording there. I don't know what happened. Oh, finally! No! It got stuck again! Come on! Why does this always happen to me? Get up. You slid down the other ones. So easily. Come on. No, why'd you go back up? It's not the laws of gravity. Come on. Yes. Go that way. Finally. Yes. The music makes it sound so friendly. Oh! Oh my gosh! What are you doing? How do you get up here? Come on! Okay, well, we'll stop here for now, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay savage, as always. And make sure to tell your